Hello everyone. In this second part, we will see how to give a background reflection effect to our glass frame. First, open the project we created in part 1, then select the thumbnail in the timeline. Right-click on it, and click on Duplicate View. Select the copy to begin our lesson, and open the View Editor. Select the mask container frame, expand its content, and select the content container. Right-click on it, and select Add Image. Select the same image we used for the background, and add it. Right-click on your added image, and click on Put Element Back. In the tab Animation, set its size to 450%. Its level of transparency at 65%. And its displacement on the Z-axis to 1000. Close the contents of the container frame, and let's see our screen. We notice that the outer border is partially hidden by our addition. So, select the container frame border, right-click, then use the command Move Forward. Now the border of the frame appears clearly. Select the frame container again, and the image it contains. And let's adjust its transparency to 60%. We are going to adjust its colors, so click on Adjust Colors, then click on Brightness and Contrast, and adjust the brightness to 25. We will also modify the transparency of the glass frame, and set it to 15%. This allows us to better see the reflection in the frame. Close the contents of the frame container, and select the main frame. For the starting key, change its displacement on the x-axis to -50. Thanks to a displacement, we will be able to see the effect give to the reflection of the frame. Put your time at the end of the view, and add a second key. Then, change the X displacement value of the frame to +50. Let's see the effect by playing our animation. It seems perfect to me. Now, let's define the images as the main element. The background image is it already in main object, and its index is on 1. Select the image which forms the reflection in the frame, and put it also in main object, and put its index on 1 also. And, finally, the image contained in the frame, put it also in main object, with its index 2. Now let's check that everything is in order. If everything is correct, the frame's background and reflection image should both have the object index at 1. Let's replace one or the other to see if everything is okay. Select another image. Then, do the same with the image contained in the frame, whose index must be on 2. And let's play our animation. Good, but the background image does not suit me, and I will replace it again. Now that suits me perfectly. Let's close the editor, and save your project. Using the command save as, you can index the name of your backup, which will allow you to have the original, with the frame without effect, and indexed with the reflection. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon in the rest of these tutorials. Katerina.